Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a short review video on the DeWalt 20V Cordless Impact Drill Driver. This is the Atomic Edition. There's a link in the description where you can pick this up. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to the video. Let's check it out. Comes in a very nice carrying case. There's your charger. It does come with 2 batteries. Comes with a belt clip. Here's your instructions. Alright, that is everything in the box right there. Alright, so this DeWalt offers 1,700 pounds of torque at 2,000 RPMs. It also comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Comes in at a total weight of 2.2 pounds. It is on Amazon at $140 right now. There's a link in the description where you can find that. Alright, some of the best uses for this drill are going to be anyone that needs to get into small places, contractors, do-it-yourselfers, home improvement people, anyone working on decks, working on metal roofs, and just general use around the house too. Alright, so this particular DeWalt does come with the 3 built-in LED lights. They're very bright, so check these out. Alright, so this is also a variable speed drill, so just hold the trigger in. Okay, so with this particular drill, the chuck has the auto catch feature on it, so you just put the bit in there and then it will hold it automatically. Will not release it until you pull the chuck forward, and then you can just pull the bit right out. It's also got kind of the rubber coating on the body of the unit itself, and it says it's brushless. Alright, so charging these up is really straightforward with the battery pack here. Like it says right on the battery pack, you've got pack charging, you've got pack charged, or you've got hot cold delay, which little symbols right here. We're going to just go ahead and plug this into the jackery since we are up at camp here. Okay, and we're getting the top on here, pack charging, so you get the red flashing light. So we're going to let this get a full charge. As you can see, we've got a fully charged battery here, so we got solid red light. So we are going to go do a quick demo. Very fast, very slick. You can see where that could come in handy building a deck or putting metal screws into a steel roof. And don't forget the drywallers. With this review video, like the last few that I've done, I'm not going to go over a whole ton of strong points or a whole ton of drawbacks. Just going to go over a couple real briefly. So the strong points on this is it's compact, it's very powerful, it's affordable, and it just is a reliable name. It does a great job. So one of the drawbacks on this thing that I noticed right off the bat on these batteries, you'll notice they don't have the little, it doesn't report on the battery, it doesn't have the little button that tells you how much of a charge these batteries have. It did come with 2 batteries, but there's no way to tell how much juice you have left in them. Alright, so my overall conclusion on this item, I would honestly give this 5 stars, and I hardly ever do that for an item, but this is top of the line. We're talking name brand for $140. This thing's compact, it's powerful, it's affordable. This gets into really tight places. It has the lights right where you need them. Comes with 2 batteries, it comes with a charger, and this thing is just great. So I would definitely give this thing 2 thumbs up. I'd go out and pick one of these things up right now. There's a link in the description where you can find it. Alright, so hopefully this video is really helpful for you. Be sure and leave a comment. Let me know what projects you're working on with your own DeWalt drills. Also, like and subscribe to my channel. Check out the link in the description where you can pick one of these up for yourself. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.